Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Cash Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the Astar network, the new Tokenomics 2.0, and also the popular K-pop ATEEZ, and also the free Astar near connection NFT. So the Astar 2.0 is coming. They already burned 80% of transactions in Astar network. Now they want to burn more with the DEFI staking burning. DEFI staking is a unique model in Astar network. Each of the DEFI staking project will be in one tile. There are 4 tiles, and for the slot in each tile, if it's not filled with a project, it's going to be burned. So that's going to burn more Astar token. So that's a good news. And also Astar, the RPC endpoints, now they have 43 million requests this week, so that's amazing. And another news is ATEEZ, very popular Korea pop, and they have 3.4 million subscribers in YouTube. ATEEZ joins Astar supported One Earth Art Pier, so that's a very famous Korean TV show, and they are going to use NFT on the Astar network. So this is the utility of Astar network, and with the popular K-pop group, and with a massive global following, and a lot of people will try the Astar network, the technology, and the NFT. So I think that's really a good news for the Astar network, and it will also bring more users for Astar network. And if you are in Chinese community, very soon I'm going to have a YouTube live streaming with 2 KOL, and we'll talk about the Web3. So now the Astar with a near connection, they have a free shot dog NFT. So here I just show you how you can claim that it's free, and you can create a new wallet if you don't have it yet. So just claim with new account. If you already have, you can log in. So they're going to ask you put a name. I will use my DRCAO, and then you will just get the new account, and after that they are going to send you the free NFT. So just click the connectable, and you will see the NFT here. Alright, so that's all about today's video. How did you feel about the popular K-pop, and also about the NFT and the Astar Tokenomics 2.0? Leave your comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.